Imagine you take a pill every single day to protect your heart, thinking you're doing the right thing. Now, what if you found out that pill might be no more effective than a sugar pill? That's the scary reality behind the recent wave of recalls for Atorvastatin, a medication millions of people rely on. Atorvastatin, which you might know as the generic version of Lipitor, is a superhero for your heart. It works by blocking an enzyme in your liver, which helps lower your bad cholesterol and dramatically reduces your risk of heart attacks and strokes. But when manufacturing goes wrong, this lifesaver can become a major liability. Just recently, another bombshell dropped. Over 140,000 bottles of Atorvastatin tablets were pulled from shelves all across the country. These pills, made in India, failed what's called a dissolution test. In simple terms, they might not break down correctly in your body. So, you could be taking your medication faithfully, but it's not getting absorbed, leaving your cholesterol levels to creep back up, putting your health at risk. This is a Class 2 recall, which means it could cause temporary health problems. The affected bottles come in various sizes and strengths, from 10 to 80 milligrams, with expiration dates stretching into early 2027. So, it's really important to check your medicine cabinet. And this isn't the first time this has happened. Atorvastatin has a rocky history. A few years ago, some bottles were recalled because they had tiny glass particles in them. These kinds of mistakes happen due to breakdowns in quality control, often in a complex global supply chain. It's a stark reminder that even the most common medications can have hidden dangers. So, what should you do if you're taking Atorvastatin? First, don't panic, and definitely don't just stop taking your medication on your own. That could cause a dangerous spike in your cholesterol. Instead, take a close look at your pill bottle. Check the lot number and expiration date. You can compare it against the official recall lists from the FDA. Your best bet is to talk to your pharmacist. They can check if your batch is affected and help you get a safe replacement. It's also a great idea to schedule a chat with your doctor to discuss your concerns and make sure your treatment plan is still on track. Staying informed is your best defense. By keeping an eye on FDA alerts and having open conversations with your healthcare providers, you can make sure the medicine you're taking is actually helping you, not hurting you. Your health is too important to leave to chance. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates to help you stay safe and healthy. See you in the next one.